Oh, hello there. My name is Parks Johnson. Welcome to my humble abode. Follow me. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the one and the many. Come on. Alright guys, so now let's just take a step into my guest room. Hello guys, in this room I ponder on what the magnitude and the multitude really mean. Through my detailed research, I have come up with the findings that a magnitude is one thing and a multitude is many things. So now let's take a step out into my living room where my friend Nick will tell us what magnitude and multitude really mean.
Oh, hey guys, I'm Nick, and I heard you guys wanted to hear more about magnitude and multitude. Magnitude can be studied through size, and multitude can be studied through quantity. Magnitude is studied through size, and size is studied through geometry and astronomy. On the other hand, multitude is studied through quantity, and quantity is studied through arithmetic and music. Thanks for listening to me talk about magnitude and multitude. Now let's go meet up with my friend Parks about the one and the many. Let's go.
Oh, what's up guys? Nice to be back out with you. Come into my meeting room, let's talk some more. So, Nick talked to you about the magnitude and multitude, so let's come back to the one and the many. I'm going to relate the one and many to different aspects of my life, such as sports, like lacrosse and football, and many different life things. So let's go. Hello, my name's Parks, and we're back in my room. We're going to be talking some more about the one and the many. The example I'm going to be talking about is lacrosse.
An example I'm going to be talking about is football.
Hey guys, Parks back with you. Talking to you to be a little bit lax, alright? So, today I'm going to be talking to you about how the one and many relates to sports. In my case, lacrosse. We're going to be talking about the magnitude. The magnitude can be measured by size. So how does size and magnitude to relate to sports, lacrosse, and the one and the many? I'm here to tell you. It does not matter how big or small you are in lacrosse, or in fact in any sport. It doesn't matter how big you are. All that matters is about the heart and the time and effort that you put into the game.
What's up guys, it's Nick again, and the example I'm going to be using is talking about football. And in football, specifically, we're talking about the multitude. Multitude is also correlated to quantity. So in football, you can't just have one player do everything. A quarterback can't throw without his offensive line. The wide receivers can't catch the ball without the quarterback. Not one person can always take over the game. It takes a team effort. That's why quantity really plays into this, because everyone has to come in as a whole. You can't just have one person go through and take over the game. It just doesn't work like that. Alright, so now we're going to go off the topic of sports and give you another example of the one and the many. The one that came up to our mind was a construction site. Parks is going to talk to you guys a little bit more about it.
Alright, so if you think about a construction site, think about building a building, like a school such as Lake Highland. You can't just build a school with one person. You have to have a whole team of construction workers and builders and stuff like that. So if you had one man that designed the building, that built the building, it would take forever. It would take years. It might not ever get finished. But as we know, in times like this, there's construction teams who work of tens of almost hundreds of people that go together in building one building. And because of this, we learned that you cannot do things with one person. It has to be many people.
It's going to take a team effort, and that's what we portrayed as the one and many. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm glad you guys could learn more about the one and the many. If you want to learn more, hit us up at our YouTube at Parks and Nick, MakingMathVideos.com. Now we're going to go juju on that beat.